MISSE stands for Materials International Space Station Experiment. And what we did was back in 1996, we had a program called MEEP. And it was a predecessor to MISSE. We put up on the Mir space station. And it was to expose materials to the space environment. So from that early beginning in 1996, we transitioned to a series of MISSE missions. We've had over 80 organizations expose over 4,000 samples to the space environment for research. What happens at the next stage is now that we have a feasible design, we need to kind of make sure that we can start to do the detailed design. Researchers will be looking to mature all of these concepts that we have into feasible concepts so we can say this is our baseline configuration that has been fully vetted by the NASA team, the MISSE-X team, as well as the International Space Station Program Office, who is our infusion partner. So what will happen is that we will have our facility built, the MISSE-X facility built. We will have filtered in all of the experiments from the different research communities, from DoD, from NASA, industry, and academia. We will have done all the integration and tests on these experiments, integrated them into our MISSE-X facility, and delivered a payload which is complete with the facility and the experiments ready to launch. And we're going to deliver that in November of 2015. So going on from there, what we're targeting is SpaceX 11 launch vehicle and a Dragon capsule, and that is going to be targeted for April of 2016. So basically what happens is that we'll launch in the unpressurized volume of the Dragon capsule. And what that means is that once we get up to ISS and it's berthed to ISS, then they have the robotic arm that comes out and removes our payload, and it will install it on the ELC-2 site, which is the Express Logistics Carrier Site 2 up on ISS, which is currently where MISSE-8 is still deployed. So MISSE-8 by that time will have been removed and brought back to Earth, and MISSE-X will be installed at the ELC-2 location. All of that's done robotically. We have all of the connections for data, for power, that'll be robotically connected, and then we will be operational. And operational means that we're able to send up commands to some of our active experiments to either actuate certain experiments, be able to turn things on, turn things off, uplink data, downlink data, and just kind of monitor what's going on in the space environment. The experiments will stay exposed for a certain duration of time, whether it's 6 months or 1 year. Some of those experiments will then be retrieved and brought back to Earth in a return vehicle. Some of those we've already gotten all the information so we can destructively destroy them on re-entry.